Hi there, Melody from WTI, and I can't wait to share with you all the loves that I have for this Elite Gourmet double burner hot plate. Let's get started.
So I love this dual cooking plate. There's a 5 and a 6.5 inch flat plate. They are made out of heavy duty cast iron. And I love the fact it's got this variable temperature control. It goes from 1 to 6, 6 being the max. And it's just very easy to clean, flat surface. Like I said, I love everything about this hot plate. I love how it's not bulky. It's super slim and slender. It's light, easy to carry, so it's great for portability, whether you take it to school, to cook, or the office, or even on a camping trip. And I even love these two for those times there's power outages. You just hook it up to your generator. I also love how short the cord is. It's a safety feature so things don't get tangled up in it. And I love that you can put just about anything, use any kind of cookware on these elements. But does it work? As you can see, it definitely does. It boiled and cooked the tortellini, and I was even able to make a beautiful, light, fluffy omelet.
So if you were wondering about trying one of these, I highly suggest them. I'm very impressed with this one, and I know you will be too. But that's my point of view.